Let's see professionalism in selling. You got to know your guest by profile if they are your regular customers or they are first timer into your outlet. And you have to ask some question. You need to ask politely some question to determine what best suited to their taste and occasion. You need to inquire what would they like to have today. Probably it's a special day, probably it's a special dinner, probably it's a lunchtime, probably it's a brunch time. You need to determine the need of your customer. So you will ask a question, what would you like today? How best I can assist you? How best I can help you? This is a sentence to open a conversation, and you take it from there after reading the guest mood. You got to know your menu items. You got to know all the details of the menu items. You need to know the taste. How is the preparation done? How is the presentation done? What condiment it comes with, and how best way you can serve. There may be times when the guest will tell you, no, I do not need this to come with the bread and butter. I need a mold of rice to come. I need some side noodles. I need only the side salad. So all that you need to know before, that how best you can help the customer, not going over the top, but helping him selecting the best as per his taste. Know the product name and the value. You need to memorize the whole menu by name, that each item is meaning what. So you are able to explain each dish if the customer asks. And also you need to keep in mind what is the value of each item. So you know how expensive is this dish, because it will help you in case if you see the guest can really go spending and the guest looks easy with it. You can even recommend the higher selling items. When you see the customer is really want to freak out, he is open-minded and he has a way of spending, he doesn't mind, he's not restricting himself to one item. This is the time that your product names, your knowledge and the value will come very handy. So this is called professional selling, because first of all you're knowing the product, secondly you are able to explain to him in the right tone, so that way you are able to penetrate in your selling skills. Know the selling price. This will help you to increase the average check, because when you know the item, example glass of wine extra added or a glass of aperitif extra added to begin with, it will of course help you in upselling. So you need to also memorize all the selling price. At least you need to know two options when suggesting. Keep that in mind when you are recommending something to customer and you are confident about the taste, about the quality, about the portion. It is very easy to recommend that time. Also, when you give a choice to the customer, maybe he doesn't like red meat. Okay, you have a white meat or you have anything else which can go and which customer can select. So always be prepared to give an option to the customer and let them to choose accordingly. So while suggesting, keep options in mind. Which way the conversation will go, you don't really know. You need to read his mood. You need to read the signals when the conversation is on, and accordingly you go with it. Do not try to sell what is more profitable, but what is more preferable to the guest. When you are selling more profitable items to the customer, sometimes they can figure out that you are pushy, and then you are pushing those highly priced item. In fact, they want to buy something else. So if you are reasonably good, if you are understanding their mood, accordingly you can suggest that this item suits you the most, even if it is not profitable. But again, you will have a happy customer at the end of the day. When they are leaving, they will thank you because you recommended properly.